Okay, hello guys, I'm going to demonstrate a glitch for you guys. Let's just get demos. You get this. Just want to show you. So then you get your hunting shotgun. And you basically and oh my goodness, this is the best shotgun ever. Trust me. Okay. Shoots out a spread of this. It just spreads out missiles. Wait. Huh. I think it's pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, it is the best shotgun ever. You could have the best power armor in freaking the game, and I destroy you with this one shotgun. This one shotgun will kill you. Absolutely kill you. Fuck them. I need some people. Okay, there's an enemy here. Okay. Let's just go over here. Let's fiend. Oh my god. See, I know that's pretty heavy for a fight. Black map. Nope. Nova. Nova. Hey guys, well, welcome again, guys. Oh my god, this is just good. Oh my gosh. Merge is what I'm gonna do. And with the holy shotgun, I will destroy everybody here. But before I do that, I'm gonna go to Helios 1 and go see our religions. Sitting and help. Bum. Okay, apparently there's like no one here. So gosh. Well, I suppose since there's like no one here. No, what would happen to you? Oh, they probably will in the future or something like that. Oh, once I find an enemy, guys, I will come back. Okay, guys, I found an enemy. It's a legion boy. Let's fight. Oh my god, he's flying! Into your phone. Okay, bye guys, that was a good video. Bye.